Your new Zoe is equipped with a tyre inflation and repair kit. To carry out a repair with this kit, any punctures must not be on the side wall of the tyre and must be less than 4 mm. Before carrying out the repair, park your vehicle away from traffic. Turn on your hazard warning lights and remember to apply your parking brake. Take the kit out from under the floor in the boot. Depending on model, connect or screw the compressor hose to the bottle. Next, connect the inflation bottle connector to the valve on the wheel. Finally, connect the electric power cable to the accessories socket. The tyre pressure specifications are on the driver side door frame. Turn the engine on, then start the compressor to achieve the required pressure. If a minimum pressure of 1.8 bar has not been reached after 15 minutes, the repair is not possible. In this case, contact a Renault representative. If, on the other hand, the recommended pressure has been exceeded, press this button to reduce it. When the repair is done, drive for about 2 miles, 3 kilometers, at below 35 miles an hour, 60 kilometers an hour, in order to distribute the product uniformly in the tyre. Then stop and check the pressure. If the pressure is below 1.3 bar, the tyre cannot be repaired. In this case, contact a Renault representative. If the pressure is higher than 1.3 bar, but lower than recommended, readjust it with the inflation kit. Note, this repair is only temporary. It will allow you to drive at a maximum speed of 50 miles an hour, 80 kilometers an hour, for a distance of no more than 120 miles or 200 kilometers. It is essential to have your tyre repaired or replaced by a professional as soon as possible.